Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor baman kasni. Menteri Rongba Kejela Konrad ki sangma haringkar ki officer na kakinhun GIZ ulanya daka bicycle electric na Office State Bank of India SBI hakandai lat kum ka jingpen sluri ki patba ban pendon kam ya kilat jingnet jingwan ki bapen khut ya kamaryang Hagani ka jingjia u Chief Minister ulong bakalong ka badon kam ban pen I da ka jing im jongno ya ka rukam penyat kamaryang bat ban kentiu ya ka jingkot jingkya ka sarkar jela kanang penklan ya ka thong ban wanra ya ki kali berkilat jingnen ki bakhut bat duna ka jingmi usindrom ka jing pelong ya ka ne ka jingyat bicycle kadai rukum ka benta jong ka jingya trailang hapdeng ka sarkar jela bar ka GIZ ban kentiu ya ka green mobility hasor shillong
Please stop. Faraz. German flag is coming up. Yeah. You are Indians and working for German company. Indian also. Or
Someone can take this.
just give it to my boy. Which camera to look at?
Experience of your ride.
As you know that this entire concept of Ride Shillong, where we're going to give public electric bicycles to people, which means it's publicly owned and people will just rent it and use it. And these are all electric bicycles, and hence even in a kind of uphill, you don't have to pedal so much. There will be electric system to support you. So it's a very, very good technology, and it's very, very good for a place like Shillong. And anybody of any age can actually use this. While I was cycling right now, I didn't have to pedal much. I was using the different levers and the gears, and that gave enough power where I could move with the power of the engine, the electric engine, and it made it very simple. This, as you know, is a part of a larger project and larger vision to make Shillong a walkable and a cyclable kind of a city where people don't have to use motor vehicles. So we're trying to minimize the usage of motor vehicles. We're trying to encourage people to use electric vehicles, electric cycles. Very soon we're coming up with a scheme for electric taxis also. We'll be getting the first installment of about 50 electric buses that are coming up. And obviously we are working towards increasing the pedestrian area, the walking area, so that people can walk more. Shillong is definitely a walkable city, and hence most of the locations you can reach without having to use a vehicle. You can simply walk to them. Problem is the space is not there for them to walk, and hence we are working towards that at a larger goal. And this is, as I said, one step towards that, to make, as I said, electric vehicles and other forms of mobility, which is non-motor vehicles, to be utilized more in Shillong. And then, of course, we wanted to expand to other parts of the state, like Jawai and Tura, Longstoin, and other places also. What we have done for schools is the STEM buses. Now we are trying to work towards how we could make those STEM buses into electric vehicles also. It will take some time. It's not simple. I think getting people to get used to a bus system itself was a challenge in Shillong city, but people are now accepting it, realizing it, and happy to use it. And now the next step will be to simply change the buses and put electric vehicles. So I hope we'll be able to do it soon. It's not going to happen immediately, but it's definitely on our
Why not cycling to schools and colleges?
Yes, there are plus, there are minus. They started with this. I hope people will now take up. So I think it's a good point. I hope that media also will promote this. You will also speak about this, and I hope you will also start cycling to office, and not just students but press also.
So, but we don't have proper bicycles.
You know, I mean, if you keep looking at a problem and say, well, this is an excuse, that's excuse, then we'll never start. When you have to solve a problem, you have to start somewhere. It starts with the first step you take. And then the next is to overcome the challenges that you have. So I think if you keep looking at the challenges, if you keep looking at the problems and keep saying that, well, this is not there, then nothing is going to change. We have to start somewhere. So I hope that this habit will start. We are working towards improving the overall areas for improving the space for cycling, tracks also. So let's hope this is the first step, and we'll continue to improve it as we go along.